Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about my new wheels and tires and also go over my lift kit. So let's get this video going. So I've been talking about getting new tires for this Jeep for about 2 years now. I didn't want to spend the money while the other tires were still okay. And finally I got tired of them. The older and more wore out they get, the louder they get. So finally decided to pull the trigger and get new tires. I've been wanting to get bigger ones, and then at the same time I wanted to get new rims. So let's start with the rims here. I went with the Pro Comp, I believe they're the 69 series, the flat black ones. And then we ended up going with the BF Goodrich all-terrain. You know, the best of the best was, I mean, everybody has these that, you know, do this kind of stuff. So I'm really happy with these so far. Drove around here on the gravel roads, and I mean, got nothing but good things to say so far. And the highway is real good, and you know, the typical stuff that I do, they're perfect so far. Now, as far as the lift kit goes, about 2 years ago I purchased the Metal Cloak had a whole kit that they sold for the XJ. I've been to their website recently, and they only sell the components now to kind of, I guess, build a lift kit yourself. But I noticed they don't give you the option for the leaf springs anymore. So let me show you what this kit came with, and I'll give you my opinion on what I think about it. So let's start in the rear here. The leaf springs, these were Old Man Emu, which I believe is the same company as the ARB. And I opted out from the Old Man Emu shocks, and I went with the, you can see them, I went with the Bilstein shocks. The leaf springs are really great. I have my storage box in the back, and even when I loaded it up, it doesn't really sag, and they're still pretty flexible. So I'm happy with the way the rear is set up. Now let's go over the front. Now in the front, the kit came with the lower and the upper control arms. Came with the dual rate spring, which is really awesome. On the road, this Jeep handles 10 times better than it used to with my old setup that came with it. It came with the track bar. It also came with these quick disconnect anti-roll bar, which I'm really not happy with that setup that they have here. I either got to cut them down and thread this farther, because the angle of them is I mean, it doesn't look right, and it's impossible to get these things on and off. So that's like my only gripe with this lift kit is the quick disconnect. I mean, I've been looking at the JKS, I believe, the company. I might switch them out, or like I said, I might just cut the rod down and just get somebody to thread these down farther, so I could get this angle right. And then same in the front here. I went with the Bilstein shocks. You can see the control arms. Now as far as this lift kit, I mean, it was spendy, so I think it was $1,700, $1,600, somewhere around there. But really good quality. I cannot complain about anything as far as the quality of the ride on and off road. Really happy with it. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll get more Jeep videos out as soon as I get other things going on it. Thanks for watching.